Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add visual effects to your videos or projects over at Capcut, as well as sound effects for free. So these pertain to funny sound effects, as well as dramatic sound effects, and as for the visual ones, I'll be showing you how to incorporate a shake effect, for example, for your videos, or basically any media files that you guys are working on over at Capcut. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we need to make sure of is that we're logged into our Capcut account as administrators. So as you can see here, I have Capcut open, and it doesn't really matter what version of Capcut you guys are on. It could be the desktop app or the browser site, which is where I'm at right now, or even the mobile app version for Capcut. So the idea here is once you guys are on the dashboard, you'd want to upload or import a new media file that you want to work on. So in this case, let's do a video. So there are a couple ways to do that. You either click on create new, like so, and you'll be met with 3 different formats on which media file you want to upload. So there's video, obviously, there's image, and there's magic tools, which uses the power of AI. So we're going to go for video here. So we could either do that or click on new video right here. And it should open up a new page where you get to import or upload new files directly from your computer or your assets library. So I'm going to do ones from scratch here. Let's just delete that. Click on upload, like so. Upload a video. Now to actually add the sound effects, let's start with the sound effects first. You guys would want to go to the audio tab right here. And you can see that there are 2 tabs being music and sound effects. Now from here, if I wanted to add a funny sound effect, I would simply click on this tab right here, and you'd be able to choose the selection of from the selection rather of Capcut's preset library. So in this case, let's do something like, if we're going for funny here, we can do fart sound or something very mature, but here we are. So we have farts, and if I want to import this into the video, I would add it to my timeline right here as a tracker. And if you guys want to extend this to something longer, you could adjust it by playing around with the slider, or you can add it, or you can move it to this part of the video, or even have it play on a loop. As you can see, if you right click on it, you have a bunch of different configuration options for it. So a lot of things that you can do to the video. And another thing is, if you want to adjust the volume for it or switch the toggle, you guys would want to click on the speaker icon right here, as you can see. So lots of things that you can do to the sound effect. So let's actually undo out of all of that. Here we are. Now, if I want to add a shaking sound effect, or not really sound effect, shaking visual effect to my video, I would want to navigate to effects. So it's this one right here between transcript and transitions. And if we're to add shake, we simply do this, and then we extend it to the entire video, so this way it's actually shaking, as you can see. So it's honestly that simple, and if you guys want to add some more effects to your video, you can absolutely do so. All of these are accessible through Capcut, and once you're done, once you've made your edits, simply export, save the video, and upload it to any profile or social handle that you guys want. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So with all of that said, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really shows your support, and thank you for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.